Interacting with your target market where they already are is imperative for an auto garage like you. Gone are the days where throwing an ad on the radio or TV or placing an ad in the newspaper will provide a solid flood of traffic. The advertising climate is changing, and it seems most businesses like yours aren't catching the drift. While everyone else is clamoring to do more of what doesn't work, you have a huge opportunity to sneak in the back door and be one of the few businesses to go right where your target market will absolutely get your message. Using mediums they already use like text messages, mobile websites, mobile applications, social sharing, and so on allow for something very special and very profitable to happen. Engagement with your audience. Essentially, you're making it easy for them to interact with you, find the information they need, check in at your business, and share you with their friends. This is one of the easiest ways to see an increase in profits. Forbes did a recent study of 1,100 smartphone users. They found that 2/3 of them were more likely to buy a product or service if the business had a mobile-friendly website. That's a staggering statistic, yet only 21% of surveyed businesses have a mobile website or mobile app. Implementing profitable things you have control over will minimize the impact of factors you have no control over. Contact us today so we can implement the things that are the best fit for your business.